welcome to Little Reads channel. Today I'm very excited. Today, do you know how to make a house? So I'm going to show you how to make a house with a big plain paper. Now we need to make just like this house but a little different. First, do you know how to make a card? Just exactly like that. Fold the paper. Fold the paper nicely. So it's looking perfect. Fold it tightly. After this part, open it. Now do this. We need to do it from the other side as well. So it will look perfect. If you don't get it, you can just see my video. If you don't know how to make a house, guys, this thing needs to be like this, so it will look nice. Here you go, like this part. After this, open your part from under. Okay, now we need to take this part exactly. We need to take this side to that side. Now, ooh, it's very exciting. Do the other side like this too. This is an exciting part, right, guys? Ooh, now it's time for the harder part. We need to take this. Guys, we need to take it from underneath. Now we got it. We need to just pull it. Pulling one. The pulling one is a little hard, guys. No, here it is. It's looking beautiful now, guys. Guys, do you know that I love to make a house, and I just get the ideas how to make a house or something else. Here you go, guys. A beautiful house. It's very big, right? From the back side, it's like this. From the front side, it's like this. See? Now it's time for coloring. Now let's make hearts first. Ooh, it's very beautiful. Now make another heart. We need to just make 10 hearts or 20. Right, guys? We need to keep making hearts and hearts. I think they are guys. You know, this is my little brother who's talking and crying and making these cute noises. My brother. Guys, do you know my brother is 4 months old? He just need to be a little bigger. After some days, my brother will get bigger and bigger, like I am. I will teach my brother how to do some things. Now, hear that sweet noise? It's just my little brother. Now we have a beautiful house like this. Now we gotta make the doors. Okay. I want to make the doors with black marker. Oh, please come out black. It's being very dark, guys. This is coming right, guys? No, it's time for black. Just with the holes. Now it's time to make the flower. I love to make flowers. Oh. Guys, I think let's use another black. I do have so many blacks. I need another black. Guys, I have a beautiful idea. We can even make the flower. We can even make the flower with color markers. Let's use pink. I think pink is not enough. I need green. To make the stem. Now we need to. Now let's use. Ooh, this is nice. Let's keep making our beautiful flower. I think our flower needs some adding or something. Just add a little. Ooh, our flower is coming nice. Now let's cut it. Now it looks so nice. See, hear that noise? It was just my brother. My brother keeps crying or something. I know what he's doing. Let's make some grass. Guys, let's color the house very beautiful. I have an idea. Just keep making little lines so it will look like grass. Now let's make the sky as well. The sky needs to be blue. Let's come blue. Let's make blue sky. Sky blue is nice. Guys, do you know that I love coloring so much? It's becoming more prettier and prettier and prettier and prettier. Keep doing it. Now let's do it quickly. It's being very quick. Oh, my brother is crying again, guys. These markers are a little dark. Ooh, I almost forgot that. Let's make a beautiful sun. This color. Now make a little circle. This is the sun. It will be faster. Ooh, the sunshine is making it very fast. Here you go, a beautiful house. And guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel. Bye. Now even look at this part. My brother is crying so much. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel. Bye.